Guys, it's finally here! The Jonas Vinyl Club has finally arrived. I am so freaking excited to finally get this thing. This, as you know, is one part of 4 shipments. So this is the first shipment, and then the second one comes, I think, in November, and then the third and the fourth come sometime in 2020. But holy cow, it is finally here. Honestly, I don't even remember what was supposed to come in each shipment, so it's going to be a complete surprise. Because, like I said, I don't remember what singles were in it, what extras came with it, so I am so excited to finally open this. Finally here. So, we're going to go ahead, get into this unboxing. I did not unbox it. That came that way from the post office for some reason. The seal is, like, open. So, hopefully everything is okay inside, but alright. Time to unbox! I have had this sitting, waiting for like a few hours because people were home and I couldn't film a video, so... Oh, okay, that's a random piece of cardboard. What is the purpose of this? What is this? I'm not really sure. What is this? Why? It's in a cute little velvet bag thing. I don't know. What is that? Oh, so fancy. I think this is like the 45 adapter. Look at how nice. It comes in like this little velvet bag. I mean, ooh la la. And we got this like random egg cardy thing for shipping. And oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Wow, my dimples are popping. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Like, what? Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Hold on. I need to take a photo. This, oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, here's the tweet. So if you watch my videos, there you go. That was just taken. Oh man, I cannot wait to listen to these. Okay, so the first one we have is the When You Look Me in the Eyes. Oh, I have goosebumps. Do you see this? Do you see the excitement that the Jonas Brothers give me? This is the When You Look Me in the Eyes, like 45/single, and it has Out of This World on it. Oh man. Oh, Nick and the belt. Oh my gosh. This is insane. I cannot believe that this is actually on vinyl now. Holy smokes. Then this one is Hold On. Ah! With my favorite song, Take a Breath. Okay, so Hold On. And then it has Take a Breath, like literally my favorite Jonas Brothers song. I don't know why they made it so pixely. It's like so old school, but I cannot wait to hear Take a Breath on vinyl. Holy smokes. I don't even want to open them. Do you know like how precious this is to have Jonas like on vinyl? What? Like, oh my god. I really, like, these can be worth so much money. Just putting that out there. Next we have the SOS and Move On 45. Oh man, and it's a picture disc. How totally sweet is that? Oh man, I love this. I love this. Move On, as you know, was like never officially released as a single, and so many of us wanted to know what that sounded like. Wait to officially hear that like in full on vinyl. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's a booklet or something. I don't know. What is this? Picture book? Oh my god. Oh man. The days. Those were the days. Oh my god, Joe and his long hair, Nick and his long hair. I am literally getting goosebumps right now looking at this. Oh, my fave. Oh my god. Beautiful. He is so beautiful. This is, oh my, look at him. Look at him. Like, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This, oh God, what an era. What, oh, now that is a photo. That is a cool photo. I didn't realize this book was gonna be like this big. Is this like all the behind the scenes for When You Look Me in the Eyes video? Obviously iconic. That is Jonas in Texas. Yep. Oh, one of my favorite tour looks. The red with the white. Oh my God, they all look so good in the red and the white. My God. They look so freaking good. Oh my God. Look at Frankie. Frankie is so little. Oh my gosh. Look at those precious baby curls. The Jonas Brothers bowling. Oh, we live for that. That was a journey. That is like a pretty thick, like, that is a pretty thick book too. Dang. Oh my God. Okay. Next. This is, I think, like a slip mat. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what it is. I think it's supposed to protect your, I think it's supposed to protect your record player. I don't know because I don't have one for mine. So I guess I'll have to find out, but that's kind of cool. Here we go. Here are the regular albums. So we got the Jonas Brothers album, full length, and then we got, oh man, I'm so excited for this. We got the live Jonas Brothers NYC 2007, which I believe was never released anywhere. So that, I cannot wait to listen to this because this is like exclusive. Like, oh man, I'm so excited. What else do we have in here? What's this? Are these the posters? Me, 26 years old, hanging my Jonas Brothers posters back up on the wall. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Who remembers this photo shoot? I remember this photo shoot. Man, this is this is so beautiful. This is so freaking beautiful. There's another one. What's this one? What is this one? Ooh. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at Joseph in the background. Joe, my handsome fave. Oh man, this is everything I wanted and more. I cannot believe I'm gonna have 3 more shipments of this. That is it. Whoa. Okay, that took me on a journey. So I am gonna go ahead and play part of the vinyls so you can at least see like what they look like, and I'm really curious to see how they sound. Or not how they sound, but you know, like what some of the songs sound like on vinyl. I cannot believe in 2019 the Jonas Brothers finally released all like their stuff on records and vinyls and whatever you prefer to call them. This is absolutely insane. Okay, so on to playing them.
Everything's alright when you're right here by my side. When I hold you in my arms, I know that it's forever. I just gotta let you know I never wanna let you go. 'Cause when you look me in the eye, it was cloudy on that night. There were no stars in sight, and the planets out of line. When I saw her eyes look, that's all it took to send me to another galaxy. And she said she was on her way to Mars, and she went into a star. And she said into my arms, thank you, gravity. Now, girl, I had a UFO. She'll never have me know. She's my space girl, and she's out of this world. surprised it's still okay. It's the way things happen. Oh, this isn't SOS, don't wanna second guess. This is the bottom line, it's true. I gave my all for you, now my heart's in two, and I can't find the other half. It's like I'm walking on broken glass. Better believe I'm bad. It's a call I'll never get. You can trust me when I tell you we're through. And how many times will it take you to the math? Me minus you, I'm right, you're wrong. Move on. Oh, 'cause you love me and I hate you. I'm right, you're wrong. Move on.
So there you have it. Oh my god, the first installment, first shipment of the Jonas Vinyl Club. I am so excited to hear the rest. It's so good so far and it is so worth it. So I am so happy that I did it. And yeah, I cannot wait to get the second and third shipment. And fourth shipment, obviously. So be on the lookout for those videos. And yeah, oh my gosh, this is so insane. I'm gonna listen to these so much. So yeah, so there you have it. So there is your Jonas Brothers Vinyl Club unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!